This is that Colorado that we haven't been giving as much love as we could. You know, you guys, I'm sure, can relate to that at home. It's your own projects kind of get kicked to the curb. That's kind of been the situation here, right?
Yeah, dude. We do. We get busy. So we just want to doctor it up, make some things look a little bit better. Which
yeah, give it a little pop of color. Now, the whole idea is, you know, our logo truck use got the little red in the background, so we want to give some red accents to it. And we're going to do that by using Dupli-Color's metal cast on the valve covers and a couple other places along the way.
All right, so can you handle this? Because I need to run a Northern tool.
For what?
I've got to go get that pressure washer.
Oh, so I'll do the work and you're going to disappear?
Yeah. So listen, I usually do this.
Day at the office.
Let me give you some pointers, right?
And you're going to give me instructions as you leave.
Just get a feel for the flow.
Perfect.
Maybe do some on cardboard first, just to get a feel.
I feel like I'm at home.
Dust coats, dude. Lay it on. All right. It's your friend. Don't like go crazy right off the top.
Anything else? So now that we got the valve covers off, we want to go ahead and coat them. We're going to use Dupli-Color's metal cast, which is a high temperature anodized coating. We're going to get a nice high temp finish and do it ourselves. The first thing you got to do, though, is you got to do all the prep work. That's where it's all at. So first thing we'll do is hit them with prep spray and get any grease and dirt and debris off of the valve covers. And then we're going to go in to go ahead and scuffing them. Now, if these were chrome, you wouldn't have to do that. You wouldn't want to scuff or sand them because what you'll do is simply use the color on top of it and those sand marks will get pulled through. But since they're not chrome, what we'll put an extra step in to kind of smooth everything out. And that's where the metal cast bright metal spray goes into place. So what it gives you is a bright metallic base, so to speak, where everything's nice and flat. And then you put the color on, it brings that bright color out and brings a little shine to it. So a couple steps we have to do to get these done right, but they're gonna look great when it's done. So I think we're looking pretty good so far. We've got a couple coats left to go, but with metal cast, it dries to touch within an hour. You want to get all the coats on within an hour, but they recommend that before you try and install them or really handle them, give it about 3 hours. Last thing you want to do is damage the finish. But, you know, metal cast is perfect for extreme conditions underneath the hood because it's oil and gas resistant, as well as it can take the heat quite literally up to 500 degrees. So whether it's an engine bay or the interior exterior vehicle, metal cast pretty much cover it all.